Hello again, this is Christian Toth with Coachstop Motorworks, and today we're going to work on the heater core. And just a reminder, I would like to tell you, I'd like to ask you, if you can subscribe to my channel below and hit the like button for this video. Not really able to do much more with my videos as far as editing and cool add-ons until I get a certain amount of subscribers. So hopefully you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe. So let's see what we got in here. So I received my heater core from CJ CJ Pony Parts. They're up in PA. So for being in Maryland, this is probably the easiest and most convenient place to purchase my parts. Here we have my two heater core hose lines. I just got these at Home Depot, but they are made for a heater. So they should withstand, and then I got my band clamps here, so I'll put those on the inside. Like I said, here's my heater core. It's $50 delivered, which is pretty great. Definitely looks a lot better than the old one. Just a refresher, show you the old one here. Definitely rotted out. So let's go ahead and get started and start routing these. I'm going to put the lines through the firewall and see how it goes. Alright, so we're back underneath inside the car here under the passenger side. Just to take a look again at the heater. So as you can see, I have my two heater lines coming in right there. So just to go over again with you, I don't know which one is the return, but the way the system works is you have coolant coming in one side, going through this heater core, like the radiator that I'm putting in, and coming out here, and then it'll go through the rest of the system to be like a closed loop cooling system. So let's go ahead and get this fitted and get my band clamps on. Alright, so just a quick update. So originally I was going to try to connect the hoses of the heater core outside the box, like as you can see here, and then push it in. But unfortunately, I guess the hoses are pretty tight, and so it wouldn't fit through the holes in the back of the heater box. So looks like what I need to do is put the heater core in and then slide the hose in the back and then put the band clamps on to tighten them down. So you can take a look at that here. Yeah, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and connect that lower hose and put the clips on. There you go. It's in, it's plumbed up. Let's get the rest of the heater box back together. Alright, so now that I got the heater box back in here, I've started putting these clips back on. Give you a better view of them. So, it's just a little clip like that, and they just pop on top up here. So, just gonna... like that. There you go. I got a couple more I'm going to put on here, but you know, like here and stuff, but I can finish that up here. So I want to thank you again for watching Coachstop Motorworks and coming along with me as I get this Mustang ready for my wedding in September. So if you can go ahead and hit that like button down there and subscribe to my channel. And or leave me a comment, something I could have done better, something maybe you don't like about the video, or any suggestions, or maybe something that you do like. Feel free to let me know. And again, I appreciate you watching, and this is Christian Toth with Coachstop Motorworks. Bye.